nephews. Welcome to Cricket's Travels. Today we're doing a room tour of room 931 at the Crowne Plaza, Fort Lauderdale Airport and Cruise Port. To the right, you see there's a closet right there with a large mirror. On the inside, plenty of hangers and room to hang stuff. On the opposite side, you'll see that they have ironing board and an iron, like most hotels do. Coffee maker, microwave, refrigerator, ice bucket. The room was spacious, guys. There was plenty of room in there. And then I love the sink that was in the bathroom. The bathroom was nice and clean. The mirror is huge, well lit. Had a hair dryer. And then the shower also had hand soap and stuff like that at the sink. And then a magnifying mirror. The shower was huge. So the shower was plenty big, and it had shampoo, conditioner, and body gel in there. And the water got hot, so it was good pressure and everything coming out of the shower. The shower was excellent. And walk into the room, you have a desk, so if you need to do any kind of work, you have another mirror there. And that was the outlets. And a little lamp. So nice size desk if you have to do work on a trip. And then you have your television. Television might have been about, I say about a 42-inch maybe. Then you have a little seating area over there. The artwork in the room, in the bathroom and in the room was really nice. And that was a king-size bed. And then you have your little clock and your outlets. And you have outlets on both sides of the room. And then you have a little nightstand with a little drawer that you can put stuff in. The bed was comfy, too. The pillows and the mattress was really comfortable. And then, if you look out, it's not much around there, guys. I'm just going to be honest with you. It's not much that you can walk to. They do have a restaurant inside the hotel called Kiki's. And that's the pool. And I'm going to show you now Kiki's because that's where we end up eating at because there was no place else that you can walk to get food. And the food wasn't bad. The service was really good. The food was, reasonable for when you're traveling. So I put the menu so you can take a look yourself. Of course, I got to have some spirits on it. And then I ended up getting the ribs and fries, and it was like some cinnamon apples. Overall, the hotel was really nice and really clean for the price. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you when I see you.